So this is how I made $16,380 by promoting someone else's product. And I've never promoted this product before. I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Guys, I used to work an electrical engineering job that I absolutely hated. I started my business in May of 2019, and within 9 months of starting this business, I was able to leave my job and achieve financial and time freedom. So that's the purpose of this channel, is to help you do the same thing. Now guys, please subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Now let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $16,000 in just 12 days, guys, with a brand new product. Now, as you can see here in this dashboard, between October 25th and November 9th, I was able to do over $16,000, as you can see right there. Now, how did I do this, right? Especially as a brand new product, okay? Now, I'm going to show you in just a second, but I just want to show you a few other things right here. This is another affiliate account where we do anywhere between $100 to even $350 per day promoting a software, okay? This is just one of my income streams. And then another income stream here, guys, this is an autoresponder that I promote, that I personally use, another $1,000. This is all passive, okay? But how was I able to promote a brand new product right here that I've never promoted before and make over $16,000 in just a few days, or just 12 days, guys? I'm gonna show you exactly how, okay? Now, this is affiliate marketing, okay? Essentially, I was sending people to a product, okay? Now I'm going to show you the wrong way to do this. I'm also going to show you the right way, because I think this can make a massive difference in your life and in your business as well, okay? Now, if you've never heard of affiliate marketing, it's pretty simple, okay? All we're doing is we're driving traffic from social media like Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok. There's many ways to drive customers or traffic, okay? Now we're driving them to an affiliate link, okay? Now, to make this super simple, an affiliate link could be something like an Amazon link, or let's just say you like a certain shirt, and let's say you like this shirt right here, and you want to be an affiliate for this company right here. Well, then it's very simple, okay? Then you would just grab your own affiliate link, you would send customers to that link, and then you would get a commission, okay? So essentially, all you're doing is promoting somebody else's product, okay? This is a great way to make money online, okay? Now, I want to show you how to make money online, but also be able to leave your 9-to-5 job. This way right here is what about 90 to 95% of affiliates do. Now, it works, right? You send people to a link and then you get paid if they buy, okay? It absolutely works, okay? But I want you guys to be able to quit your jobs. I want you to do this for the long term. And I want to show you how I did over $16,000 using the affiliate stacking ecosystem, okay? This is what I used here, okay, guys? So this is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, this is where it becomes extremely powerful, because now we're actually collecting an email address, okay? So whereas before, over here, and I'll show you guys again, we're just sending people directly to the link, okay? Whereas with the affiliate stacking ecosystem right here, there's this page right here where we collect an email that we now own, okay? So now, instead of just sending them to a link, we then collect these email addresses, okay? And we have this database of emails, okay? Now this is where it gets fun, because I've been able to collect a database of over 150,000 emails. And with that database, I can now promote multiple offers. That's why I call it the affiliate stacking ecosystem, because I can promote multiple offers. So in this period right here, this company reached out to me and they wanted me to promote an up and coming product, okay? So I was able to use my email list to make over $16,000 because of the affiliate stacking ecosystem, all right? And this is where it becomes extremely powerful, guys, because, you know, if we're using this method over here, you know, we're just sending traffic to an affiliate link, then we're not able to collect an email address, and we can't promote other products, and we can't even follow up with those people. So this is where it becomes extremely powerful, because, you know, let's just say you have your main core offer that you promote, but then later on there's an awesome opportunity that arises, and you can go ahead and send people from your database email list to this special offer, okay? Which is what I did with my email list, okay? Now, the affiliate stacking ecosystem is fairly simple. It might look a little complicated here, guys, but it's fairly simple, okay? All we're doing is we're collecting an email in exchange for something called a lead magnet, okay? Typically, I will give out a free book, a free course, in exchange for an email, okay? That's all we're doing. And when I have that email, this is literally the main asset of my business. Because of this, I'm able to do these type of deals where I can send people from my email list and make, you know, almost $20,000 in just a few weeks, guys, which is insane, right? And that's the goal of building a list. Now, when you first get started, you know, obviously your list is going to start out slow. And then as you start creating more content, it grows and grows until, you know, you're at 1 million subscribers, which obviously I'm not, but I'm growing at the moment. And I've only started my email marketing list in May of 2019. Now, I want to show you exactly how you can start implementing the affiliate stacking ecosystem starting today. Now, guys, I want to show you on my screen here, this is a free lead magnet. And as I mentioned before, what I typically like to do is I like to give away something in exchange for an email, okay? So if I pull up my graphic again, this is called an opt-in page, right? So I'm giving away, in this case, a free book in exchange for an email. Now, what I like to do for my students is I like to give them this free book. That way they can promote it as their own. You use this exact same funnel, this exact same book, but I'm letting you collect the emails. I'm letting you collect the commission, everything, okay? So I'm giving you guys this affiliate stacking ecosystem, but I also teach you the skills as well, okay? Because the reason I do this is because I want you guys to start making money as soon as possible. But I also want to teach you the skills, right? I don't want to just give you the system, but I give you guys the system and the skills that go with it, okay? So that's what we're going to do, guys. And if you guys want to learn exactly how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works and how you can implement this exact same thing so you can start building your email list, now I want to invite you guys to the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Now, with the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, guys, I'm going to show you exactly step by step, click by click, how you can implement the affiliate stacking ecosystem, but more importantly, build your email list, which is the most important part of your online business. Now, guys, there's so many videos online that teach you affiliate marketing, and they probably work, but I want to show you how to do affiliate marketing for the long term. I want you to be in this for years and years to come, right? If you quit your job, then I want you to have something to back you up, right? If I were to lose my YouTube channel, my TikTok, everything, I would still have my email list, and I can then still produce income, okay? Because I have that email list. And that's the most important part when you're building your business for the long term. So guys, I want to invite you guys to the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can access that and so you guys can start implementing the affiliate stacking ecosystem and get your business off the ground. So guys, I hope this video was of value to you. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Again, the goal of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. So guys, we'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.